Ever pondered over the magic behind the swift and effective cleaning of professional cleaners? Well, today we're peeling back the curtain on those secrets as we delve into a conversation with a seasoned professional in the industry. Hello there. I've been in the cleaning industry for over 2 decades, and I've picked up a few tricks along the way. The first secret? It's all about having a plan. I always start from the top and work my way down. This ensures that any dust or debris that falls won't dirty an already cleaned area. That sounds pretty logical. What about the actual cleaning products? Do you have any favorites? Absolutely. I swear by microfiber cloths. They're great at trapping dust and are reusable, making them a cost-effective and environmentally friendly option. As for cleaning products, I prefer to use natural ones where possible. They're less harmful to the environment and are generally safer to use. Those are some great tips. Any advice on tackling stubborn stains? Definitely. For stubborn stains, I use a paste made from baking soda and water. It's cheap, non-toxic, and usually does the trick. Just apply the paste, let it sit for a few minutes, then scrub away. Fantastic! And what about time-saving techniques? Any secrets there? One of my best time-saving tips is to clean as you go. It might sound simple, but it really makes a difference. If you wipe down surfaces and clean up messes as they happen, you'll find that your big cleaning tasks become much more manageable. That's some solid advice. Anything else you'd like to share? One last thing. Remember, consistency is key. Regular maintenance is much easier than tackling a huge mess. So, keep up with your cleaning, and it won't ever feel like a daunting task. And there you have it. Straight from the mouth of a professional cleaner. Plan your cleaning from top to bottom, use microfiber cloths and natural cleaning products, tackle stubborn stains with a baking soda paste, clean as you go, and maintain a regular cleaning schedule. These are the secrets that make professional cleaning so quick and effective. Time to put these tips into practice and see your cleaning tasks become as swift as a professional's.